Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make my oat milk from home. Yes, you heard it right. Oat milk actually is ideal for people that have a nut sensitivity or that can drink almond milk or cashew milk. It's incredibly easy to make and you can try it at home. So let's just get right into it. To get started, for my recipe, I am using organic old-fashioned quick oat. It has a better texture and it's better compared to other oats. So I will add to that a lot of water and I will let it soak for 20 minutes. So now after 20 minutes, I am draining the oat and making sure that I discard the water. Then once the oat is drained, I am now going to put the oat into my nutty bullets because I do not have my high-speed blender. It broke a couple of months ago, so I haven't bought a new one yet. And that's what I'm using and I'm doing with it. To that, I'm going to add water and fill it up to make sure that it's really soaked with water. Then I will run it through the bullet to make sure that it's high speed for at least 3 to 4 minutes. And once it's done, then I will pour the oat milk into the container and I will repeat the process and make sure that I blend the oat and the water for at least 3 to 4 minutes, like I said previously. So once I'm done blending it, I'm now going to pour the second batch into the container also. And then I will take a strainer and now pour my milk through the strainer so that it can retain all the pulp out, so I don't have to have it into the milk itself. For the oat pulp, you can use it for different other things that you can make. You can use it for baking, for your smoothies. So whether you choose to discard it or keep it, then it still works. So after I'm done straining it, I do not have a cheesecloth as of now. I haven't bought it yet, but I do have another cloth that I use to strain my milk to make sure that I get rid of all the pulp. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm running it through to make sure that the milk that is going to go through doesn't have anything, no residue in it. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to press through to make sure that whatsoever is coming down, it's only the milk itself and not the pulp anymore. I'm now making sure that all the milk is squeezed out and only the pulp will stay into the cloth. So you can see here how the pulp stayed and we only have the milk now. So that's it. The process is very quick and simple and it's very easy. So it's done. Now you can pour your milk into glass containers if you have some, and you can store it for up to 3 or 5 days in the fridge. And that tastes really good instead of buying the store-bought, because the store-bought is really expensive. And if you want it sweet, you can always add maple syrup or honey. And then you can also add vanilla extract if you want a different flavor. And it's really good. You will enjoy it. And I hope you try it. And you let me know in the description box down below. If you like the content of the videos I'm making, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to share the video. Until next time, enjoy.